Is my screen visible?
Yes, Archana.
Okay. Shall I begin?
Yes. Yes. You can start.
Okay. A very good afternoon to one and all. Everything begins with an idea. An idea without actions are of no worth. Beginning with this quote, Miss Archana Dubey, on behalf of all the members of IIC, are glad to invite you all for another interesting workshop on the topic problem solving and ideation. The guest speaker of this session is Mr. Manish Patil, who is co-founder at Jugaad Funda Innovations LLP and Agro Optics Dental Lopez and LED headlamps. So now, before starting with this session, I would like to give you all a short introduction of our guest speaker, Mr. Manish Patil. Mr. Manish Patil has obtained his BE Electronics degree from Shivaji University, Kolhapur and MTech from CEDT Aurangabad. He has total teaching and industry experience of 26 years. He founded and successfully operated Samruddhi TPI Foundation to channelize CSR funds from Samruddhi Industries Limited. He also handled the responsibilities in capacity of CEO for Shivaji Center for Innovation, Incubation and Linkages. He is exclusively representing Lexicon by spin-off program from Singapore Polytechnic in India this moment. Also on collaboration with Fudan University from China, he developed LED light solutions through startup under MIT Group of Institution, where he replaced 37,000 conventional tube lights with the LED lights, saving more than 51% of electricity with more than 5 years of warranty of products. He has initiated Jugaad Funda Innovation LLP with Maharashtra Chamber of Commerce, Industries and Agriculture, and he is currently implementing Business Solution Polyclinic Program BSPP for State of Maharashtra. Now, I would request Sir to kindly begin with this session as we all are eagerly waiting to listen to you, sir. Over to you, sir.
Hello, is my voice audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, absolutely fine. Good afternoon, all of you. I'm Manish, and before I begin or I'll proceed ahead, may I know the background of the participants, please? Hello, yeah, madam, may I know background of participants, please?
Sir, they are all second year students. Second
Okay,
year students.
okay, and they are all MBA students.
Yes, MBA students with finance operation,
Okay.
HR and marketing specialization.
Okay, done. And I believe, we can have a small interactive session wherein I can also ask them certain questions and then we can have a mechanism to really gather their responses because this particular session, anyway, I'll be having my own thought process and on problem solving, but I believe the participants also can respond and they can respond in the chat window. Am I right, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So, being an MBA students, this session is being organized by your Institutional Innovation Council, and it is on problem solving and ideation. Okay, so before we go ahead, I just would like to ask the questions to the students about, post what all are the problems and challenges they see in the society. Okay. Because when we are talking about problem solving and ideation and possibly, leading it to the entrepreneurship and trying to think of, creating a kind of an startup. So before that, I would like the students to post as a student or as a, kind of an independent entity, what all problems they foresee, what all problems they see around themselves, either for themselves or as an individual or in the society. So, can the student please type in your thoughts or the problems what you are observing in the society as an individual or as an independent entity or as an part of the society? So I will request them, to type the problems what they believe are important and that needs to be solved. I will just, I'm expecting at least someone to respond to this particular thing. Even faculties also can post, what they think are the key problems and challenges which they feel, needs to be solved. Because post their problems or their thought process, please. Ma'am, can you from your own side anything, any input? Because then it will help me to really discuss it based on the inputs I'm receiving from participants. Okay, so problem of unemployment. Okay, fine. Poverty. Good, thanks. Archana ma'am has posted one problem, that there is a problem of unemployment. Okay, problem of security. Okay, okay. Few more, because from that too much confusion for career amongst youth. Okay, so may I know Vishal, is he from the faculty or is he from the student community? Because I understand Archana Dubey, she is a faculty, am I right?
No, sir, I'm student as.
Okay, okay. I appreciate it. Thanks. Because since you began, you initiated, I thought you are part of faculty. Anyway,
No, sir,
fine.
no.
Great. So, okay, Vishal is also then a student.
Very good afternoon, sir.
Yes.
I am Vishal here. I am also student of BRIMS.
Great, great, great. Fine. Thanks you all. Archana, then AS, Sai Pavan, then Shehzaz Alam. Thanks for asking your queries. Vishal, okay. Now I hope other participants are also there. If anybody would like to participate, it will be great. Okay, just check out. I have shared one, Google form link. Just check out if you can open this particular Google form. And, the question what we will be taking up over here is this problem, that problem of unemployment. Okay, now I want to know how many of the participants really believe that there is a problem of unemployment, because at a time we will discuss one point and then we will build our topic around this. So many of you are present over here, so I have opened up a form over here and that form link has been given to you, and then you can also start responding through that particular mail, because I can take a reference of that particular poll and then I can take it ahead. Okay, so I myself is also checking this one. Okay, so I am submitting my response also over here. Okay, so can you all just let me know if you have submitted the poll response, because I'm going to take that as an reference and then I will take the things ahead. I will be sharing the responses and all everything with you. So I have received currently 5 responses. It will be great if more people can respond on this, because that will help us to see what this group thinks about this unemployment. Because our discussion topic is the problem solving and ideation. Okay, that is the topic. So somewhere we'll have to start with some problem. Okay, and then we will take the things ahead, which will be close, and we'll see if at all we can find a solution, answer, or some idea, how to solve this particular problem. And then, since you are all part of this one, you also can check out, how you can contribute in this whole process, and we all can gain out of, this 2 hours of session or interaction what we are having.
Sir, sorry to interrupt. This is
Yes.
Professor Krunal.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Like, sir, just thought that can we also discuss a few things like how we can understand the problem areas or
Yes.
pain points of some maybe
100%.
some group of segments or consumers, and maybe then based on that we can come up with some product idea or service idea, sir.
Okay,
Just
absolutely
a
fine.
thought. Yeah.
Absolutely fine. I appreciate your input because being a person, who is coming from design background, who is, working on all the interdisciplinary area, I just wanted to, understand, get some vibes and some response from your side so that I can take it ahead. And then I
Yeah.
appreciate,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
In fact,
Yeah.
it will be my pleasure to have a small, interaction with you because I understand you are the faculty, you are the professor over here there. Am I right, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
great, great. So that you know better what all are the expectations from this particular discussion. Okay. And even my first attempt was to check out with this similar expectation. So
Yeah. Okay. Okay,
without,
sir.
yeah, without discontinuing with what we have started, okay, we will take ahead with discussion through the points which you have shared, and then we will go ahead with it. Okay.
Yeah, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'll just, your good name, sir, please, one more time.
Sir, I'm Krunal, Professor Krunal.
Okay, okay. Just wait a minute because I should be able to, address you correctly next time. Okay, so I'll
Yeah.
note it down. Okay. So thanks,
Yes.
Professor Krunal. Now
Yeah.
what I will do is, we have got some input. We have got some this one. So let me check out if I can share, my screen over here. So as an screen, I think I'll share this entire screen at this particular moment, and let me share this response what we will be what we are seeing over here. Is my screen visible? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
It
yeah,
is
yeah, thanks.
visible.
Thanks. So almost 77.8% have said that okay, I agree 100%, there is a problem of unemployment, and almost 22.2% say that I don't know whether it is a problem. And this one, okay. So Professor Krunal, before we go for some other problem solving and other thing, let me first address this particular part maybe for the period of 10 or 20 minutes or 10 minutes max, and then we will take the things ahead. Okay. So coming back to this particular problem of unemployment, if the students can respond, can I ask them a question which they can reflect in the chat window? My question to you all student is, why do you think this problem exists? Okay, so you believe that there is a, or you think that there is a problem of unemployment. So why you think it is a problem? Why or this problem? So you can answer my query that maybe you can type in the chat window yes or no, because I think we have limited number of students, so there is no need of having any form. So is it that jobs do not exist? So this is my first question to all of you. Does it mean that jobs do not exist? Okay, is it the problem? Because then we have more people who are asking for a job, and those many number of jobs are not existing. So what the people think about this, you can just type in the chat window, those you who think yes, this is the problem, or if you think any other reason, you can type in the chat window. Okay, if we think that because 9 of you have said that there is a problem of unemployment, so is it that the jobs do not exist? So what you think around this particular part? Or do you think that the student who are coming out, okay, 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 yes. So there is one answer, thanks. No, sir, job exists, but there is a lack of skills and expertise. Okay, okay, fine. This is one answer. So are other members also agree with this? Can I get, other, inputs from all of you? Okay, okay. Okay. So the answer I'm saying that yes, sir. But I think there are so many participants. It will be great if out of 22, because I can see 4, 5, 6 are responding. Okay, and then I think you all have the answer for this particular query, because now at the end of this particular session, definitely I have got an opportunity first for Archana, then for AS Sai Pavan, then Shehzaz. I have them, this Vishal. I definitely have an opportunity for you, and definitely I'll be giving you an internship opportunity. If your performance is well, we don't mind paying you all. Okay, so you now can see the jobs do exist, but then the people say that there is lack of skill and expertise. But I feel that there is a lack of initiation, initiative, and objective, and a kind of a motivation amongst the student. Okay, everybody believes that somebody should give me, yeah, there is a job description, I will apply for it, they should test me. But the world is opening now, and there's every single opportunity coming in front of you. You should be able to participate and respond to the things where you are present right now. And then this is one of the quality which I think is lacking amongst the students, and that's why possibly you are losing out of those all opportunities. And that could be one of the reason. Okay, so anyway, so this job of unemployment, we anyway are working as a scientific jugaad funda. We are actually connecting with industries. We do have almost connection with more than 5 lakhs plus industries connected with Maharashtra Chamber of Commerce, and we are working on capturing their real problems and enabling our participating students to access those problems, so that during their graduation itself they can have an experience of working on solving those problems. Okay, so we anyway working on solving this particular problem of unemployment, because on one side the students who are more answer providers, okay, they are just preparing for their exams, but they lack in terms of their ability to work on solving real problems. Whereas on another side, industry is facing a problem: how I can choose a right candidate, how I can be assured that this candidate has gotten potential to work on my business growth or solving my problem. And then we do have specific tools, we do have methods, we do have a systematic process to ensure that we are empowering students to work on solving real industry problems. And then industry can have an opportunity to check who all are those best performing students with whom I should be working with. So we ourselves as a scientific jugaad funda is having that particular solution in place, in ready. If you can visit scientific jugaad funda or jugaadfunda.com, you can get some answers over there. But coming to the point, Professor Krunal, what I will do is, uh, can you ask me, specific questions, so that around which, I can share certain presentations, I can share the case studies, I can share the journey, I can share my experience. So can you just ask the questions? You started, with something, but unfortunately I forgot. So, Professor Krunal, can you please, ask your first questions again, or can you repeat that question, please? Hello, Professor Krunal, are you there? Okay, because I'm a person, who likes to interact, rather than having a conventional way of delivering a presentation, a PPT, and take this particular thing ahead. I will prefer, to have a more interactive session. Okay, Professor Krunal, are you there? Or if anybody from the faculty or the staff, side, anybody there?
Yes, sir. Myself, Dr. Smita Zape.
Yes,
Yes, tell
yes,
me, sir.
yes. Yeah, yeah. So, can you repeat the question which was being asked by Professor Krunal? Because that will help me to set up a tone and note and all the things correctly. Because I do have at least 4 to 5 case
Yes,
studies
sir.
about, yeah. Yes.
He is there, sir. He has joined.
Yeah. Krunal,
Yes, sir.
yes. Can you please ask the question one more time, please?
Yes, sir. Sir, my suggestion, like just an idea came to mind that can we have some discussion over how we can identify, say, problems of some specific consumer segments.
Right,
And
right,
then maybe we can try to come up with some ideas to solve it, maybe in the
correct.
form of some services or some products. That
Okay,
was just a thought.
okay,
Yeah.
good. So I will here share one case study. Okay, so I will tell you my own example. And from that point of view, let me share my screen with you so that you can see one of the product which I am the only manufacturer of this product in the country. Okay, you can see over here, this is Argo Optics. This is a brand, and this product is nothing but it is a product which is helping dentist and surgeon to maintain their posture correct. So if at all you can see on the screen, you can see how exactly this dentist is operating. Otherwise, typically, every dentist has to bend, go closer to the patient, and then the dentist starts suffering with the back pain, neck pain, aerosol contamination, and flying debris. This is a problem of a dentist. Okay, we haven't talked of solution, but if you can go to any dentist, you will find that he will complain about his back pain, he is complaining about his neck pain, he is complaining about aerosol contamination, and now with the COVID-19 this problem has become much bigger, or it is a little bit huge problem. Now, your question is how to identify a problem. Am I right, sir? Your question, what you ask is how exactly to
Yes.
identify a problem, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So for this purpose, okay, it is a very simple method. When we say that we have a problem, that means there is some difficulty, there is some challenges, which we are facing or which somebody is facing. So only way to identify a problem is to have a curious mind who is thinking about certain challenges or certain pain points. Say for example, when I went to dentist, before I came out with this product, when I visited and then I saw that he's having a very what you can say a face with and pains, and when he was working, because one of my brother, he was having a tooth problem, and I take him to the dentist, and I could see clearly he was bending and he was working, and whenever he was coming back, he was saying, oh, this one. And then that was something I which I was able to, and I asked him why you are having this complaint. So what he said was, Arey, it is not my complaint, man. Every dentist is facing this particular problem, because it is our occupation. The teeth is so small, and then we have to bend and go closer and work on this particular part. And then that's what is the pain. And that's how I detected one of the problem that can be solved. Okay. So, so this probably is outcome of a curious mind. Maybe today's generation, the students, we typically don't expose them to visit industries, talk with them, discuss with this one, and tell them to identify the pain points or the problem areas. And that's why we have uniquely designed one program now under Scientific Jugaad Funda, which we call it as an Industry Connect internship. Because, I got an opportunity to go and visit to the doctor. I was able to talk to him. But then this opportunity to go talk to somebody and understand their problems, this process is not existing anywhere. So possibly the institutes like you might be, should be pushing the students to visit the industries, talk to them, and start capturing systematically the pain points and the problem areas. And then probably we can check out of all these problems, what all could be the problems which can take up as in solving, wherein we can also give an exercise to the student as a part of opening his thought process, opening his brain, and then take the things ahead. So what am I talking sense, sir? Do you think was I able to give you some relevant experience sharing related to the point which you have asked?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
So can you be little bit more specific again in this direction? So I now have a question to you. Do we allow, am I audible? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So do we allow, say, like, if at all we expect our students, they say that on one side there is a job problem. Okay, I know that that is a reality, because the number of industries which are present, and way the job role is changing, the way the technology is imposing, the many jobs, they are become repetitive, and those all repetitive jobs are going to the automated tools or the processes. Okay, but the jobs of innovation and the job of product creation, there is a huge opportunity, because innovation is a never ending kind of a thing. Okay, so my question to you is, do we really allow or permit the students to go and talk to the industry and capture their problem? Do we have any module in existence as a part of our curriculum? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
sure, right. Yeah.
yeah, sir, we do have this kind of practice. We have already conducted competitions and
Huh.
under IIC, and students were given lot of industry problems, and students have interacted and they have come up with some solutions.
Okay, so if this particular process is in existence, then is it really leading towards creating a solution and commercializing and then taking it ahead, or is it stopping somewhere in between? Can I know certain problems and challenges in this particular process? Because I just showed you now
Ah,
one
yes.
problem, but
Yes, sir.
while taking it ahead in the institute, are you facing any challenges? Are you facing any problems, empowering students to
Ah.
go and the capture problems?
Yes, sir. Like, I would
Yeah.
like to like give you the recent competitions example that
Okay.
one of the competitions which we had was business plan competition, where
Okay.
students had to first identify some pain points in
Huh.
some
Huh.
specific segment, and then they have
Okay.
to come up with some innovative business idea with
Okay.
all those
Okay.
parameters like feasibility and applicability of idea, everything.
Correct. Correct.
So that competition was done nicely, but later on when our entrepreneurship cell reached out to like top teams, like top
Hmm.
8 to
Hmm.
10 teams,
Hmm.
regarding taking this ideas ahead and converting them into startup.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
at
Hmm.
that time, we experienced that very few students were interested in doing so.
Taking it ahead. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So,
Okay. Now let me get back. And now, with your permission, I would like to take one, small orange, because it's my habit. I'm little bit finding hungry. I hope it is okay if at all I can, while talking, I can also eating some of my fruits. Okay.
yeah,
Fine.
sure, sir.
Okay, thanks. So see, what happens is, very first thing is, whenever we have announced the competition, okay, so we enable the students to participate. Now, have we checked really, or I need your views and opinion on that, the students who participated, okay, whether they participated to get a certificate, so that they thought that this certificate can help them in getting certain job or internship, because they have done something. Okay, you can correct me, sir. Are you getting my question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see, we announce, because as an institute we definitely need to encourage the student. Okay, we definitely want them to do something, but the
Yes.
student focus might be that, hey, if at all I participate into this one, and if at all I win, then that certificate is something more important for me. But building a business, those case stories, raising a fund, and the success story, maybe it is possible that they haven't seen many success stories. They are
Mhm.
not internally really motivated to really create a business venture into this one. So do you think this could be one of the possibility?
Yes, sir, maybe. Like here, I would like to also add one point that based on the responses received from those top teams, so
Hmm.
they were like, they want to start this business, like they really are connected with this idea. But
Okay.
initially, for few years, they want to support their family with some stable financial income. So
Right.
maybe once they
Okay.
have that, then they may think about starting up, or maybe they can start up this as a side part and they want to do a job first.
Got you. Now here, my answer to this particular query, I understand this is a real fact. Okay. Even if the students sitting over here, some of them might be having an idea and thought process. Okay. Just let me share with you, screen for a moment. Okay. And let me share, something with all of you. Okay. Can you see the screen now, sir?
Yes,
Hello?
sir, it is visible.
Yeah. Yeah. Now you can see this is a product, right? And then I'm also a student who came from very middle class family. My father was teacher, my both grandfathers were teacher, and I was really an average student. In fact, I failed once in 12th. I failed, another time in my first year of engineering. I was failed in 9 subject out of the first year 10 subjects. But in the final year, I was, a gold medalist. The reason for that is very different. Okay. But I'll tell that reason separately when the time, comes. But this particular product today, its manufacturing cost is hardly only, 18,000, but we are selling this as a price of 72,000, and we have sold almost, 650 units. And next year, we are planning to sell at least 2,000 units in a time span of 6 months. So are there any people who can make a calculation that how much revenue will get generated if we can sell 1,000 units at 72,000 rupees? Can I get certain responses in the chat window? Can somebody do some fast mathematics for me, please? We are trying to sell 2,000 units at a cost of 72,000. So how much will be the revenue of the company? I think there are people from finance and other thing. Okay, sir, I'm coming to the point, how we can motivate or certain case studies, because they fail in realizing the rewards. There is a fear of failure. The fear of failure is more compared to, the joy of success. And that's what these all students are facing the problem today. So anybody calculation 2,000 units multiply by 72,000. How much will be the turnover of that company? Okay, great, good. So can somebody write in maybe in crores or maybe in lakhs or something? What how much it is? Can I get how many crores, how many lakhs is this turnover?
Maybe 14 crores plus.
Yeah. Thanks. Now my question to you is, if at all you are doing a salaried job somewhere, okay? So possibly how much possibly these students can earn? The best package might get received, but those selected one are very few. Okay, maybe hardly 1% or 0.5% of the students, or very few selected students can grab that one. But you can see I was not a very brilliant guy. I in fact failed in 12th, failed in first year engineering and all other thing. So if this person can do a turnover like this one, I think you guys are much more sharper than me. You guys are much more capable than me, and I think they all can do these things correctly. Only thing what it requires is an courage and consistency. Of course, it doesn't mean that it is happening right now. But if you see, if at all we put some efforts over here, every one of you has got an potential to come out with these smaller products like this one. Okay. And when we think of creating a smaller product, that particular journey, this is one tool I'm sharing with you. So this journey of converting this idea and converting into a kind of a successful business needs a systematic startup, okay, or needs a systematic start. So basically what the problem we identify, and as I told you, sir, when this hackathon we are doing, that is one way therein, we are giving them certain problems and we are telling them to come out with solution. But identifying such huge number of problems which are there in the society and industry requires students to visit that industry, talk to them. Maybe after talking to the 10th industry, maybe during first industry, maybe during the 40th industry, they may get an opportunity wherein the solution can have an impact and then the customer is ready to buy. Okay, but very first thing is going, visiting industry, and then probably we need to process ahead correctly with an product vision. And now you are seeing what is there, that is what is the vision. When I start building this one, the objective should not be participate only into that hackathon and get the certificate. And once you have that vision, which again can come from inside, which can again related to the passion, but mostly the students are getting trained, and we are pushing them, you get this degree and you will be eligible for this particular package. And sometimes the student himself is unable to perform, we cannot commit him that similar package. And that's why if we expect the entrepreneurs to come out, that should come basically from inside, and that inside can come when they see the reward for that. And then those all things can be created when we take ourselves through the product vision, through the problem what we are solving, the persona, who for whom we are solving this particular problem, what all are the goals, what are the gains he can get, what all are the pain areas we are solving. So this is that systematic process through which are you able to see the screen or not yet? Sorry.
No, sir.
You can see one screen, and here you can see, is the screen visible now?
Yes, sir, it is
Yes, sir.
visible.
Yeah. So if at all you are taking yourself through the product vision, okay, so this product vision is a process wherein I am trying to understand what all are the real needs of that customer, who is the target group, what is going to be the name of my product, what is going to be my business goal. And if at all I see, and if at all I know the process of validating this one, then they will believe, or they will start believing in really transforming themselves from an answer provider to a solution provider, and from a job seeker to a job creator. But today they all are thinking, but they are not realizing, the students and their parents specifically are not realizing the kind of an money we are spending on their education, and kind of an engagement these students are having in their education. It is not giving them a direction, it is just telling them that okay, they are looking at hope, with a lot of hope to that degree certificate, and that they think that this can give me a job. But when it comes to the actual working, actual reality, practically working on the field assignment, or the exercise, many times they are not ready. In fact, today I am ready to give an offer of a 14 lakh rupee package to these students. Right now I am saying this, provided they tell me that you pay only this 14 lakhs if I can sell this 2000 units in a year. Okay, so I'm ready to give that particular package. I just would like to know who would like to raise the hand and say that, sir, I am the person who is ready to take that responsibility, so I am ready to give that particular offer to him. Okay, so this is just an kind of an open my announcement over here. I don't know how many of them really would like to be interested. I want to make them partner in this particular business if they are ready to take this particular thing. But I know none of them will come out and raise the hand that I'm ready to take responsibility. So coming out with that entrepreneurial thing and solving the problem, it definitely has got efforts, consistency, another thing, and it should come from their side. But when I did this, today I am the only manufacturer. Even I don't mind sharing so many things with all of you. And I would like to know, if you would like to create this, go ahead, do it, create it. There is a huge market. There are more than 8 lakh doctors, and out of which right now hardly 30,000 or 40,000 are using it, out of which only we were able to sell to 650 people. So such a huge market is there. But these all things, today's students, they need spoon feeding. They want somebody to tell them, भैया ये पी लो, ये खा लो, ये एग्जाम दे दो, ये एटीट्यूड दे दो, ये एप्टीट्यूड दे दो, आपको ये जॉब मिलेगा. Okay, and that's what they are trying to run behind it, which is not going to be so easy after this, because technology is changing the things correctly. So we were discussing on problem statement and ideation. Now प्रॉब्लम क्या है, अगर इसमें आप मुझसे पूछोगे कि आपने ये जो प्रोडक्ट तैयार किया है, ठीक है, लेकिन इसका प्रॉब्लम क्या था, प्रॉब्लम क्या आपने आइडेंटिफाई किया. सो प्रॉब्लम वाज the dentists are suffering with the back pain and neck pain whenever they are doing their treatment. This is the problem. And then what is the solution? Solution बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं. Okay, one could be, I will not continuously you work on my patient for more than 45 minutes, और एक पेशेंट की ट्रीटमेंट होने के बाद मैं 1 घंटे का ब्रेक लूंगा, मैं एक्सरसाइज करूंगा, वापस आऊंगा. This also could be a solution, but practically this is not workable. There could be another solution. Somebody can hold magnifying lens, and then doctor can use, but then it creates so much of problem while treatment. So this also is not working. But when we created the solution, then we ensured that the customer will be able to use it. And for doing those all processes, is my screen getting shared now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, wait. For doing that, what we did was, we have really taken it through the complete systematic process. 1 minute. We have taken it through the complete systematic process. Vision. We decided what we want to do, how many customers, how many of them are facing the problem, okay, what are their pain areas. We literally visited maybe 200 300 dentists, that particular specifically industry. We identified goals, then every time we were trying to solve it one way, they were telling us some another problem, and that finally we understood what all are the features. So today our product has got 16 to 18 features which are not present anywhere else, and that's how we were able to be successful, and then we were able to do that particular part correctly. And that's how we are the only manufacturer in the country for this particular product, and now we are looking forward for exporting, we are looking forward for really scaling up. And then we are the same problem, trust me sir, the same problem is being faced by majority of the small scale middle scale industries. But many of these guys or the students, they think that somebody should take me for some job wherein the package should be good. I completely appreciate, and the deserving student definitely should get it. But there is a huge opportunity in the area of entrepreneurship, innovation, identifying the problem, systematically documenting it, innovating around it, working with a multidisciplinary, interdisciplinary area. And to enable this, that's why exactly we have developed Industry Connect internship program, wherein we enable the students to really reach to the industry, capture their problems, document, articulate, validate, enable them with the training and skill of correctly articulating, so that they can have a pool of problem statements available around which they can work and think of solving those problems. So was I talking relevant, sir? Was I sharing the thought process, or was it matching with the session what we are conducting, sir?
Yes, sir. And that
Yeah.
was a very relevant example which you shared, sir.
Yeah. And in fact, I like to interact, but I have found a very mysterious thing. These students, I don't know why, but they hesitate or they don't ask questions, and then they are more preferred. I don't know, might be this is the practice, or स्कूल के बच्चों में वो सवाल पूछने की वो क्षमता बहुत ज्यादा होती है. जैसे वो फर्स्ट ईयर ग्रेजुएशन में आ जाते हैं, ग्रेजुएट हो जाते हैं, and then they stop asking questions, and then for other people it goes ahead. So I don't know, this could be the change in the students and their attitude and their approach, but I believe they have got a huge potential, and I believe there are ways if they really want to deserve this particular deserving job. But the question answers and interactive session can help us to have the more impact in decision making. So if you have any other question, you can tell me, sir, relevant to this part or relevant to this particular topic, because this is on problem identification and ideation. So when I say ideation, it is related to what kind of a solution. And for that purpose also, we do have something called as an idea scattering, and then segregation and grouping of ideas, and brainstorming and thinking and validation. And for that purpose, anyway, we have prepared this particular tool. It is our own tool, actually, this Prod Easy, which helps corporates or the students or even the innovators or the academic researchers to check out is their research is really matching with the industry expectations. So this is how we do, and this is how we follow the whole process, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, another thought came to my mind was
Yeah.
we have heard about various ideation techniques, or can we have some systematic approach of ideation? So you can guide about this.
Right. See, whenever we say that we are having a solution, or whenever we say that we have got an idea, TRIZ is one of the tool which is being used, which is called as a systematic innovation. Okay, approaching to that particular solution in a systematic way. So TRIZ is one of the way with which it happens. But before we go for the TRIZ, okay, we need to work upon 2 or 3 or 4 major points. That whatever the solution we are trying to propose, how it is going to add value. Okay, say like say one example I'll tell you, that regarding this ergo optics itself, or you can tell me, some problem, and then I can share with you. But whenever we are thinking about an idea, I will have to think my idea, or my solution, is it going to save time, or is it going to save space, or is it going to save power, or is it going to kind of and save my money? ये 4 areas अगर हमने identify किए कि when I'm trying to come out with solution, is it going to result into saving of any of these things? If the answer is yes, then your solution and other thing will go ahead in a right direction. Or you can tell me one problem, and then I can tell you possibly how I will approach. And again, coming to the same point, the same thing has been included as a part of our tool. That is, whenever we are working on the solution, we work on what all are the final goals I want to achieve. Say like when we were thinking of ergo optics, okay, in that particular ergo optics, you can see one of the goal by that particular person is attending 10 patients per day, because every patient attendance, it generates or fetches him at least 2,500 to 3,000 rupees. So 10,000 means it comes to around 30,000 rupees per day. So this is one of the goal. Okay, maybe maintain natural body posture, this is the goal. Maybe maintain work and life balance, this is the third goal. Now, whenever I'm thinking of an idea, at that time, the TRIZ is another way. Okay, so I'll just refer this one. Is the screen getting shared, sir? Hello? Hello?
Yes, the screen was visible.
Okay. So here is a TRIZ, which is an systematic and scientific way of building the solution, wherein the customer requirement, problems, and all this analyzing has to be captured correctly. And then we will have to work on evaluation of that particular thing. And to do that, we require a process, and that's where some tools, this is one of the tools, this PRODIS is one of the tools, but similar other tools also can be used for this particular process. So this is just one way, but there are so many other ways with which the people can go ahead innovating. But the TRIZ is one of the best and scientific way of solving the problem. And then there are principles. There are 40 TRIZ principles, and then you can try to fit your problem in some of those applied principles. And as far as you are able to get those particular answer correctly, you can understand that are you leading towards a possible solution. But even though that solution comes, after that I need to check out, is that solution acceptable, or is it something for which the customer will be willing to pay. And for that purpose we'll have to work on again these goals, gains, pains, and all this one. It is not that every solution, every idea can be sellable, but the sellable ideas are something important. So TRIZ can help you to get the solution, but the sellable solution you again need the separate technique. And then these are all the methods and the process, say like creating a correct product vision persona, defining the value proposition for the customer, that why he would like to pay, what all are his gain creators, what product and service he is getting, and then how we are helping him for more earning or more saving. If this happens, only then the customer is willing to pay. And then again, there are marketing techniques and sell and other thing, whatever we learn in all those theoretical books and other thing. But if I fail in applying them correctly, for specific product, then it's of no use. So I have shown little light, but if you want to talk on trees, the trees itself is maybe around 8 hours or maybe more than 10-15 hours of session to understand all the 40 principles of the trees. Was I relevant, sir? Was I in the direction of what query you were asking?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So any other question, anything from the student side, or anything from the faculty side, or anyone, because I know that I'm just discussing on the things, the case studies and the problems, and it is not an conventional PPT or the presentation, but that's how I prefer to be. So any other query from faculty side, from student side, or from your side, sir? Maybe if I have an idea how to identify if somebody will be ready to invest into it. So should I answer this question?
Yes, sir. That could be another yes.
Yeah.
In
See,
the
I have an idea, but I don't know whether the customer would like to buy. So for that purpose, the way it happens is, suppose you have worked on initial idea, you have gotten working prototype of it, then initially nobody will pay you, only your friends, family, or your fools, FFF, friends, family, or fools, only they will be ready to pay you for this one. So somehow you create a working prototype, and then what you can do is you can work on getting their feedback. If they deliver this product to them, then what are the value proposition, and if it is saving their either cost, time, money, power, then will they be ready to pay for it? And then you can have an initial feedback from those customers. And then in the market there are incubation centers or incubators who are having well processes and policies in place, who will be willing to give you the initial seed funding. So with that seed fund, you will have to come out with an working model, or maybe the pilot production, initial 5, 6, 7 products of units of production you will have to have. And then when you say that, hey, there are 10 customers who are waiting and they are ready to pay me, I can have this order and I can make my business plan, the next level of investment can start coming in. And that's how I can start building this whole thing correctly. When we started this Optics, nobody was there to fund us, but we created small pieces initially. Again, they were not very perfect, but at least that helped us to start initial revenue generation. And it also gave us the customer feedback, at least the area for which the development needs to be done, or the scope of improvement. Then we presented correctly, we need money to produce units like this to improve into this one, and this is how we are projecting. And then we can have an sell of these many units, and then that's how I'll be able to generate this XYZ revenue, and then I'll be able to return back to you this one. And then that's how we can make a profit. If you present this to the investor, there is a huge money available in the market. So was I relevant, or you would like to ask any specific question, sir? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So do you have any specific, was I relevant? Was I answered, able to answer this query? Or if there are any ideas students are having, or if they think that they would like to go in the market, I can share my thought process, that if I would have been at their place, how I would have done the things. Okay, now I just would like to know how many of the students, they expect a salary package of more than 14 lakhs. How many of you are willing to have a salary package more than 14 lakhs? Is there any one student who believes he is a deserving candidate? Okay, how many of you feel that you deserve 6 lakhs? Okay, no answer. Okay, because okay. Okay, great. Now my question to you is, how many of you are confident that you will be able to boost the sale of this Ergo-Optics product? And if you feel confident, you can always send me a mail on uh, here is my mail ID, director@ergooptics.com, and you can tell me how you can help company in increasing its sales, what will be the strategy and method you will be using, and then why you deserve this much salary, and then you are in. We don't mind taking you on job right from tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow. Okay, so just send me a mail and then I'll wait for your response. Anyway, so, sir, coming to the point, do you have any other? Because I have tried answering the query in the available time span about why and when somebody would like to, provide me a funding resource, and under what situation I'll be able to do that. So, if is there any other question or the query from your side, sir, or any query from the student side about the MBA that they are doing and what all their plans, and so something like that. I will be happy to interact with them. Or if there is any problem and they are stuck with building a solution, then I can share with them, possibly how it can be worked out and what are the ways with which it can be taken ahead. So any problem you can post here, sir. It might be interdisciplinary. It might be a problem with the industry. It might be operations. It might be finance. It might be technology related problem. So anything, anybody, and then we can take that also as a case study. Or anyway, you can tell me the maybe आपने जो hackathon conduct किया था, in that particular hackathon as an institute, what all are the products that were developed by the students, and then if you want to push them ahead, then I can share my thoughts how possibly we can take commercialization of those products ahead, and how to raise the funds, who will be willing to fund your project. Those are things also I'll be able to share.
Yes, here I would request students, those who had participated in that business plan competition, they can share their ideas which they had submitted so that sir can guide us further.
Total, how much is the strength of the this particular class? Okay. Anybody, any question, anything, any input, anything? Because we are connected right now with almost 5 lakhs plus industry associations, industries, and every one of them is facing huge challenge and problem. Might be it is your internship, might be it is your job, might be it is your placement, and then, but if the student themselves are ready to work, interact, and understand what all are those challenges of the industries, I can also share the key pain points of those industries. So should I, because there is no question coming from your side, so sir, can I share what all are the key pain points of the industries at this particular moment?
Yes, sir, sure.
Yeah. So one of the pain point of these industries is digital transformation. Okay, that means many of the technologies, maybe the social media and other thing, this is transforming very rapidly, but industry needs experts who understands their business processes and then apply various digitally introduced tools and the processes for the growth of their business. See, just now I'm telling this is my problem. Okay, just there are around 8 lakhs of customers present in the market, and I would like to make use of very systematic digital transformation. There are many students who will come forward that I know LinkedIn, I know Facebook, but systematically using those all tools to match with my business requirement, none of them has got an experience. Okay, so they all are coming with very raw, and this is again a pain point for the industry. The candidates having a application knowledge of digital technology which can help the organization either to save the cost by saving the raw material, maybe by improving into the logistics, or maybe enabling effective use of social media or digital marketing, or a techniques and the method. Because digital marketing, it has become just like a buzzword. Okay, everybody who just knows about Facebook and LinkedIn and all, they say that I know the digital marketing and I know social media. No, till the time really customer is coming in and he's ready to pay you and gets connected, it's of no use. Okay, so they need such people who are able or who have the proven knowledge and experience. So that is one of the pain area of the industry. Another pain area is access to the new technologies and the entrepreneurs. The entrepreneurs is somebody who is joining the company, and somebody is really willing to participate into growth of the products, innovation of that particular product, solving of that particular problem. This is something what industry is looking into right now at this particular moment. So this is another pain point of that particular industry. Now when it says that, okay, how exactly these skills can be captured and acquired, there is no course or no program that can give it unless and until somebody gets an opportunity to go work on the field. They work, interact with them, they try to relate whatever they are learning with the real life application. Without that, these all things are not going to happen. So these are some of the key pain points what industry is facing at this particular moment. And if we go and talk to them, whenever we start capturing their problem, that adds a huge value. And then again, as a professor and as a faculty, if we ourselves are also having an access to such a problem, trust me, it makes a huge change. Right now for MIT World Peace University, we are enabling them with an access to all such problems. So faculties are structuring their programs and the courses around these problems, enabling students not only to have an internship or a kind of a job replacement, but the faculties are also getting the consultancy services. So this is how we as a scientific Jugaad Funda, we are working this. Medical product is one part of it. This medical product is altogether my different kind of an approach. But it took me 6 failures. I failed 6 times successfully in creating my startup, but on the 7th attempt I was able to commercialize this particular product. And now through funds whatever we have raised through this one, we have established this scientific Jugaad Funda. We diluted the equity into this one, and then we are taking the things ahead. Yes, Professor Kunal or any faculty or anybody, if you have any question, you're welcome to ask. So was I relevant, Professor Kunal? Is it really going ahead correctly relevant to the topic what we have selected? Because many times we expect this should be PPT and this should be technique, but trust me, all that information is today available on the internet, whatever you want to search. But what is more important is specific to my query, my question, I should be able to get the input and the path and the direction. And actually
Yes,
my
sir.
all sessions are typically in that direction, so it is slightly different, and that's why I expect more participation even from your side. But I thank to you that at least you are speaking. I don't know whether what about others, are they really part of this one, or they are just doing something else. I don't know, but it's okay. I believe they are all attending it. But I will appreciate if they also open up the mic and they ask the question, because then I can open up the relevant case studies and I can share with them.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Amiya, thanks for asking. Yes.
Yes, sir. So, funding also can be a part of a problem or a issue. Like, how the investors, how can we convince them,
Yes,
and
I
what are?
completely agree. I completely agree. Even if initially what happens, I'll tell you. Do you have any idea in back of your mind? Have you tried sometimes, or is there something in your mind right now? आपके दिमाग में कुछ है क्या? या अभी नहीं है?
नहीं सर, अभी नहीं है, बट
ठीक है।
प्लानिंग तो चल रहा है कि ऐसा।
ठीक है, बताता हूँ। देखो, जब भी आप किसी भी चीज पे काम करना शुरू करोगे, कोई भी XYZ प्रोडक्ट आप ले लो, ओके, तो जब भी आप सोचते हो कि मुझे ये प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में लॉन्च करना है, तो आपको फंड्स लगेगा, करेक्ट? दैट्स व्हाट यू आर थिंकिंग, एम आई राइट?
यस सर।
Correct? Now this particular thought process might be incorrect, considering there might be ample resources around you जिसे यूज करके आप एटलीस्ट एक वर्किंग प्रोटोटाइप या छोटा मॉडल भी आप कर सकते हो, ओके? डोंट थिंक दैट यू विल हैव टू स्टार्ट इमीडिएटली विथ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग 30,000 units of the solution or the idea or the product what you have in back of your mind, okay? The really thing work like this, आप एक पहले छोटा सा कंसेप्ट, प्रोटोटाइप, प्रूफ ऑफ कंसेप्ट, पेपर डॉक्यूमेंट कुछ बनाओ, and then you start getting the feedback from the market that will this be particular run or will the customer be willing to accept this as a product. अगर आपके पास ये आ भी जाता है ना, so there are ways with which there is a huge seed funding available. Say for example, right now Startup India seed funding scheme, okay? This Startup India seed funding scheme is nothing but it is this seed fund for all such startups and incubators. आपको उन incubation centers के साथ जाके connect होना है, and then they have got already certain funds, लेकिन आपको उनको present करना पड़ेगा कि आपने क्या efforts किया है. And for that purpose, you can make use of such kind of tools like Prod Easy, which can help you to present your idea correctly and in a systematic way, its impact, its usefulness, why the customer will pay me, what he is doing otherwise if my product is not there into the market. And then if at all you are able to convince him, trust me, पैसे की कमी नहीं है market में. So there is a huge money available in the market, and incubation centers could be the first way, but the angel investors and the seed funding agencies are there plenty, many of them, and they will be able to support you correctly. Whatever I have shown you is just one way through this Startup India seed funding scheme. So have I answered your query, Ameya? And I will appreciate if you are able to ask more questions.
यस सर। सर बट समटाइम्स ऐसा भी देखा गया है कि मतलब कि जो अभी स्टार्टअप स्टार्ट करे या फिर कोई नया बिजनेस स्टार्ट करे, तो
हाँ।
कभी कभी उनके पास खुद इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए फंड्स नहीं रहते, तो
Yes.
इन्वेस्टर जनरली पहले क्वेश्चन, तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का ये था कि आप खुद कितना इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो। तो
नहीं, वही मैं बता रहा हूँ, इसको इसी मेरे पास भी 1 रुपया भी नहीं था जब मैंने ये सारी बिजनेस कंपनी, अभी मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, मेरे पास तो 1 रुपया भी नहीं था. सो हाउ एग्जैक्टली आई बिगैन वाज, कुछ तो मुझे जो भी घर से मिला था, मेरा पॉकेट मनी था, कहीं से था, ओके, उसमें से कुछ तो एक छोटा सा चीज बना दिया था. एंड देन व्हेन आई डेमोन्स्ट्रेटेड, उसने देखा कि भाई ये कंटिन्यूअसली कंसिस्टेंटली कुछ काम कर रहा है, एंड देन दैट्स हाउ ही गिव मी सम एडिशनल मनी टू वर्क अपॉन दैट वन, ओके. लेकिन अगर आपने बहुत सिस्टमैटिकली काम करके अगर बिजनेस प्लान भी बनाया ना इनिशियली, सो उसके लिए इन्वेस्टर इनिशियली आप कितना इन्वेस्ट करोगे ये नहीं पूछेगा. देर आर एंजल, लेकिन आपका जो प्रोडक्ट है, जो आपकी आइडिया है, दैट मस्ट बी इम्पैक्ट मेकिंग. वो ऐसी होनी चाहिए कि सुनते ही शुड फील दैट यस, दिस इज अ पेन, यू आर ट्राइंग टू रिलीव हिम फ्रॉम दिस पेन, you already have done this effort, you have done this validation, then you can present him, मुझे इसके लिए इतना पैसा लगेगा, आप दे दो, and there is a money available, of course. ये लेकिन बहुत आसानी से अवेलेबल नहीं होता है, आपको इसके लिए मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, that is for sure. लेकिन ये पैसा अवेलेबल होता है for sure. ऐसे जरूरत नहीं कि आपके, और जो लगता भी है इनिशियली, तो भी वो छोटा मोटा स्टार्टअप के लिए जितना लगता है, वो शुरुआत में आपका कमिटमेंट तो थोड़ा तो लगेगा, या तो मेहनत लगेगी या तो आपका फंडिंग में कमिटमेंट लगेगा. सो दैट्स हाउ इट गोज अहेड, बिकॉज राइट नाउ स्टिल यू डोंट नो कि ये इक्विटी डाइल्यूशन और डेब्ट एंड अदर फंडिंग कैसे वर्क होता है, वो शायद अभी हम उसके लिए गए नहीं है. लेकिन शुरुआत में यू विल हैव टू डिपेंड ऑन योर एंजल इन्वेस्टर्स एंड सीड फंडिंग स्कीम्स which are being available from many of the entities right now. शायद 5-6 साल पहले ये सारी चीजें नहीं थी, लेकिन now these all things are falling in place right now. अगर आप खुद कुछ लेके आओगे ना, then I'll be able to show you the path. You will get the funds. Don't worry. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So have I answered your query?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So अगर कुछ है तो दिमाग में बिल्कुल बताओ, शेयर करो, and then possibly we will show you the path for that. Yeah. So Dr. Krunal, anything more you would like to have me taking this ahead and have any interaction from your side, because we started with that point that we have an idea and there is a fund, then how we can understand then who will fund and why will fund. So I have touched upon that particular point, and one of the way is to really go ahead with answering all these points which typically we have built into, or the tools like Prodigy, which will help you to have the business model and the impact map. So before you go for the funding approaches, if we have filled up all these particular business model canvas correctly with a proper justification, validation and experimentation, then there is no problem for the money.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
I think.
just one
Yeah,
thing,
go ahead.
like out of
Yeah.
curiosity,
Please.
that we understand from your profile that you are an serial entrepreneur,
Yes.
and currently, I think you are founder and co-founder of around 4 to 5 different entities.
Yes.
So how you are able to manage it all things, because if you can share this experience and again
Okay.
this
Okay.
kind of mindset, even this can be helpful to our students.
या सी, आप अगर किसी चीज को इनिशिएट करते हो तो इसका मतलब ये जरूरी नहीं है कि उस चीज के ऑपरेशन और मैनेजमेंट आपको खुद को करना है. सैलरी देके बहुत लोग मिलते हैं, उनको यू कैन हायर, यू कैन फायर देम बेस्ड ऑन देयर परफॉर्मेंस. बट वो जो इम्पैक्ट मेकिंग आइडिया है, सो वंस यू ओन दैट, वंस यू नो certain trade secrets and you know how to continue and take it ahead, then running this business as an operation is not a problem. Okay, of course jitna business bada hota hai us hisab se you also will have to hire the people. लेकिन अभी what I am seeing personally कि पहले मुझे जो चीजें मैनेज करने के लिए कम से कम 18 12 15 लोगों की जरूरत पड़ती थी, with this new digitalization and technology and other thing, I don't need those many people. Hardly 4 to 5 people are able to support me. Then I also don't mind paying them little bit higher salary. And then these are the candidates we have picked up right from the root level. Okay, जैसे मैंने अभी सवाल पूछा and then कुछ लोगों ने response दिया, if something replies then I'll pick up from there, and then we have got an systematic way of building our own manpower and retaining them correctly. We do have sweat equity option available for the people. So when they see there is a good return for the efforts what they are doing, then there is no problem, and then the running and managing the businesses is not an issue. And the key tricks on the key trade, and then how to manage only that particular part, then the people are there, the people are plenty. Job के लिए तो बहुत सारे लोग ready है. Only challenge is we are having a very systematic process and very critical process to identify who is that deserving candidate, and we don't need any academic degrees or any other thing. We have got very different mechanism to evaluate the candidates. So having given the ownership and founding of all these businesses doesn't mean that all the businesses requires my day-to-day attention. No, वो एक बार system और process set कर दी, and once we do it on the tool, the reports and other thing, and then we know when to intervene and when to interfere with the task and the activities, and how to do that corrective action. So that's only we'll have to manage and maintain the things. Have I answered your
Yes,
query, sir?
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Anyone else? Anybody?
Yes,
think,
any other students or maybe any of the faculty members, if you have any questions.
Yes. In
Yeah.
fact, we are helping many of the faculties even to commercialize their technologies, because there are many industries who are really looking forward for deserving even senior faculties to whom they are ready to engage as a consultant, and they expect them to use their academic knowledge or research knowledge to help improving in certain areas of the company operations. So we also enable deserving faculties in all such processes. Any other queries, anything from your side, sir? Okay, would you like to listen something on what if somebody steals your idea, how exactly I can protect? I think about intellectual property rights and protection, many of you are must be already familiar with, but now it's not very difficult. If you have any idea, any other thing, and if you think that somebody may stole it, then there are two three ways with which you can do that. Either your idea is such a you enter into the market at such a speed that with your speed, scale and skill nobody will be able to match that one, then no need to worry about protecting of that particular idea. You go ahead, capture the market, be first into the market, and penetrate even before others start understanding about your business model, and then you can get that momentum. That is one way to do that. And another way is, of course, the copyright, trademark, or the patents is something through which you can protect your businesses or protect your ideas. So that is the another way of doing it.
Yes, sir. It would be great if you can share a few thoughts about it also.
Yeah. So copyright is something, मैंने कुछ लिखा है, या तो मेरी कुछ ट्यून है, जिंगल है, या मेरा कुछ ऑडियो है, या something, and I would like to protect that one, so that all falls under the category of copyright. Okay, so that is something text और the copy, मैंने सिर्फ लाइन लिखी है, मैंने कुछ वर्ड्स का कॉम्बिनेशन किया है, मैंने कुछ म्यूजिक का एक जिंगल है, एंड समथिंग, और मैंने कुछ ड्राइंग किया है, मैंने कुछ एक आर्ट किया है, सो आई कैन हैव एन कॉपीराइट ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग. Whereas trademark is for the sake of branding, say like logos, whatever we see is a part of which is are being registered for that specific category, so that no other person or the people can misuse your name once you are the established brand in the market, so that your other products and other thing start selling. But that branding is altogether a separate strategy and activity. And then the third mark is the patent, which you might be having in processes, you might be having in designs. So before you really go ahead with manufacturing and scaling up and marketing in a big way, and these are, and then today these costs are also have come down drastically. Maybe at the cost of 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, you also can have an patent filing, registration, and other process. Those are things also you can do. The patent attorneys are there, the legal persons are there who will be able to support you correctly for that. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So in fact, do you want anything related to incubation center and its operation and the processes? Should it be, but it is not directly related to the student, but at least they can get an idea. Right now, there are almost more than 300 to 400 incubation centers that has got established in our country, and every incubation center has got their thrust areas, that is their area of specialization. Say like NCL venture center has gotten chemical as their thrust area, because they have the people, they have the manpower, they have the machinery, they have the instrument equipment to work in either biotechnology or the chemical related areas. Whereas Lucknow leather center, incubation center, they are expert in the areas of leather. The bamboo cluster from Kudal is expert in the bamboo technology. So if you have got any ideas or any other thing, that incubation center can support you. But they have got a systematic process to really induct you as an incubator, have an understanding with the incubatees, connect with the seed funds, have a legal agreement for accessing and availing that particular seed fund, and then take those all things ahead. So that this is a completely process and policy driven incubation centers. But many of the times you will find that certain incubation center, they're just the label on the room, and they say that this is our incubation center. No, that is not how the incubation center run. The incubation center has typically systematic way. I'll just show you for a minute, 1 minute. Okay, so are you able to see my screen? No. Okay. Okay, so here you can see, is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so this is the Samruddhi TBI Foundation, which is the industry driven incubation center. And then they have got a complete operational process of incubation management. Of course, Scientific Jugaad Funda is supporting them to manage all these processes correctly. That is how exactly we request, participants to submit their title of their idea. Then as soon as they submit, they get, the correct document of, protection, which they can use it for either copyright, trademark, or the patent. And this is a well drafted document which gives them assurance that nobody else will be copying if their idea is really genuine and original. Then we have got a system to really support to those all incubatees, through the mentor network. And then the shortlisted one will be admitted into the incubation center. Then either through the private equity or other funds, we will make sure that we are making these all funds available for them. So this is how we go ahead and we do the things, and this is the process that they follow. And the program which is being run for admitted incubatees, it goes through the 9 stages of entrepreneurial mindset building, or you can call it as an idea accelerator. Because the first part, what we do is idea resonator, followed by that idea accelerator. And in idea accelerator, we have a systematic way to understand what is the difference between invention versus innovation, that is defining your own kind of an thing. So there is one small call from uh, this one. Just give me a minute. Sorry, just give me a minute. I'm finishing. It is from a medical hospital. They need some support. I'm just giving them. Just give me 2 minutes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, sir.
Hello, sorry. Actually, one person was needing a blood group. I was just connecting him with my another friend. It's done. Sorry. We were discussing on which point. Sorry, it just skipped the whole flow. Sorry. Hello.
So we were discussing about Samruddhi TBI Foundation.
Oh yes, 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 yes. This particular is a process of running that complete incubation process, and the way we take ahead with this people having an idea is understanding invention versus innovation, defining, discovering, what problem they have identified, what is its impact, how many people are facing the problem, how to analyze the solution, how to check its technical feasibility, commercial viability, then how to analyze the competition, who are all the similar vendors in the market who are having the similar product, how we can effectively make use of a tool, like prod easy to make a entry of, all those kind of points correctly. Then name it, frame it, how to give a name to a product, how to set it up correctly for the right branding, provided by developing a product solution, prototype, proof of concept, validate into the market. Then if the idea is really nice and nobody else have done it before, how to go ahead with protecting our idea, then how to build a business model with the, business model canvas. That is the next part, we take it ahead. And then whether the product is really fit to the market, whether the customer will be willing to buy that one, and if that willingness is there, then how I can increase the funds for that. And then after I receive the fund, how I can manage it on my own, or I can give it somebody to manage, having my own equity, or this one into the business. So this is how we take all the things ahead through this incubation center. And these are the incubation centers who will provide you with the inputs and the guidelines to connect you with the right investors, so that they will be willing to invest into this one. And that incubation center themselves on your behalf will position you correctly in front of those investors. Of course, against that, maybe 1%, 1.5%, 2%, 3%, either equity, or you will have to bear certain service charges towards the sustainability of that incubation center. So this is how possibly the whole incubation process and the incubation center and related things works correctly. So was this relevant, sir? Was I able to convey this particular part correctly? Hello.
Absolutely, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay. So any other query, any other question? So it is almost, I think, 3:30. But sir, if you can ask me, or if you feel any relevant topic I can share, discuss. I hope it was relevant, and it was related to the point which we have discussed, and I was able to share some of my a few experiences to add value to the listeners.
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
one more thing, which
Yeah.
like one term which we heard during your this previous websites that presentation was business model canvas.
Right.
So, and this is the term we had heard in one of the previous guest session also, but like we are not very much clear about how this BMC works and how we can go about it. Like so.
Okay. Now I'll just tell you, I'll just share the screen with you, and I'll just explain a little bit about this. Okay. So is it screen visible now? Is the screen visible, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So now just think of the same product, what I was talking about, this Argo Optics. Okay. And now imagine that when we build our product, and before we really went ahead with pitching it to the investor, okay, we prepared this particular business model canvas, okay, wherein on a very left hand side, there is a customer segment. That means for whom we are making this, who will pay for our product. That's what was the question that we answered over here. Okay. Say, like, for whom we are creating the value, who are our most important customers. Okay. So that's what is nothing but the customer segment. And then we ourselves give an answer to this. Of course, this took us some time, but individual professionals or the dentist, then the hospitals and the medical institutes, they can buy our products. They could be our potential customers, because once I identify who are our customers, then accordingly it becomes easy for me to define my marketing plan, define my marketing budget, define my costing, define my profitability, everything. This is one of the input. Then why this customer will buy my product, and that comes under the value proposition. So once I have written the customer segment, I will write the value proposition. Okay, that what is that I am going to give to those customer when they are going to pay me some money. Okay, because if there is a value, if that is going to solve some problem, then only they are going to buy. So what is that value I am giving them? It is customized personal working distance, eliminating the need of bending. Okay, so this is what is this one. They need not have to bend, they need not have to go closer to the patient. Okay, so it can save them from back pain and neck pain. This is my first value proposition. My second value proposition is they can attend more number of treatments per day, and then they can have an more earning. Then my next value proposition is they can have a magnified view of that area, which can enable them to operate with ease and less stress. Okay, so these are all the value propositions which I gave them. So that means this is my customer, this is my value. Okay, fine. After understanding this, how I'm going to have the get, keep, and grow my customers. That means how I'm going to get them, how I'm going to keep them with me, how I'm going to grow my customer segment. That answers I will be giving in this customer relationship kind of an area. Okay, so maybe for getting, I can make use of social media, I can arrange the workshop, I can participate into exhibitions. Okay, keep is, I will give them frequent training. I will send them messages about effective use of that particular product. I will give them a free kind of an cleaning treatment for the product or the servicing. Okay, and the grow is whatever are the feedback I'm getting from my current customers. With that, I will ask them from their more references, and giving them some discount or cashback offer or something. So this is how I am writing how I can maintain the customer relationship. And to maintain that customer relationship, after that, suppose I want to make my product reach to my customer, so what all are the channels I'm going to make use of it? So maybe my own website, maybe I will have the kind of an e-commerce platform, or I will have the courier, or I can delivery through the persons, something, so through which I can make this product reach to them. Because these all things, okay, that customer segment, customer relationship, and the channels will help me to understand how I'm going to generate my revenue, how many customers I'll be able to reach, what is going to be my possible or potential money that I can get with myself. So from this side, I can understand how much incoming I can have. But to have this incoming, I will have to have an key partners. So these key partners on the left hand side, dealers, distributors, their margin, institute, manufacturers, finances, loans. So I might have to work with so many partners. And then while doing all this, I will have to do certain activities. I may need certain resources, and that will tell me about my outgoings. So once I know how much is the possibility of incoming, once I know how is the possibility of outgoing, and what all are the reason, then putting it into the cash flow and presenting it to the investor is not a problem. And then why he will deny me the funds is not a problem for me. So this is what we do in the business model canvas in nutshell. But this is a really a deep work. Okay, this is really needs an engagement and involvement. But once you understand this one, you will be able to realize how we can make more profitable things, how we can make a more impact making things. So this is what is all about the business model canvas. So was I able to explain it quickly and crisply, sir, to you?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, because I know it was I did it very short, but trust me, we do have actually 2 to 3 months of program and session on this one. And then this not only is useful for entrepreneurs, but even intrapreneurs whom industry is looking at, that how these candidates can be contributing in the growth of the organization. There also this business model can be handy and can be useful.
Yes, yes, sir. Absolutely. Thank
Yeah,
you so much for explaining this.
yeah. Yes, any other query, any other question, anything from any one of you?
Sir, good afternoon to you. This is Nitin Joshi here.
नमस्ते सर, हाउ आर यू? आई थिंक
एकदम fine.
हम लोग मिले हैं शायद कैंपस पे, बट आई डोंट रिमेम्बर नाउ,
नहीं
मे
नहीं,
बी सम
बहुत
टाइम।
बढ़िया सर, आपका तो एकदम
नहीं
फ्लो बहुत बढ़िया और वेरी इंस्पायरिंग नो डिस्कशन यू हैड. And the best thing I liked is it was a discussion mode rather than one way speech. So this actually continuously make us think. मला माझा एक प्रश्न आहे आता
हो हो
छोटासा,
हो
म्हणजे कारण
हो,
की हे सगळे आपले यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स आहेत किंवा
बरोबर
टीचर्स पण आहेत.
बरोबर बरोबर.
आपण सगळे किती वर्ष झाले, म्हणजे आता वर्ष झाले,
हो
भरपूर वर्ष झाले,
हो,
वी हॅव बीन टॉकिंग अबाउट एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप.
येस येस,
आणि म्हणजे बरेचसे गव्हर्नमेंटचे पण प्रयत्न चालू आहे.
बरोबर.
आपल्यासारखे लोक पण फार मदत करतात याला. अवेअरनेस क्रिएशन आहे. भारतात भरपूर छोटे मोठे दुकानदार असे बघितले तर सगळं आहे.
येस
आणि हा
येस
कॉन्सेप्ट आपल्याला विकावा लागतोय असं मला कुठेतरी वाटतं. किंवा
येस
म्हणजे आय डोंट नो हाऊ टू आर्टिक्युलेट इट, बट मला असं वाटतं की तरी हे इतकं इतका
का
त्रासदायक
का का आहे
का
म्हणजे
ह्याची गरज
यो
काय?
येस
बरोबर
येस.
ना?
आय विल शेअर माय, कारण सर आय मायसेल्फ, मी जवळजवळ 26 वर्ष मी फॅकल्टी म्हणून काम केलंय.
हम्म,
I
हम्म.
was assistant professor at Kopargam Engineering College. Then I was with MIT World Peace University. Then I was with Finulex Group of Institution. But every time I also have tried parallelly to work on certain design development startups. In fact, while working with MIT Pune, I myself was also heading R&D division of Rajdeep Infotechno Private Limited. So to give your answer, why I said this one is I understand the philosophy, psychology, the student mindset, the parent mindset, and other things. So possibly one thought process is the student themselves are being pampered a lot by their parents, and then they are also possibly expecting कि अरे कुछ easy आसानी से हो जाए, कुछ workout हो जाए तो बहुत better है. And then they are not being trained, they are not getting equipped by the system to take the responsibility and accountability. Okay, everybody is trying to sell them with the dreams, अरे ये करो ये हो जाएगा, अरे ये करो यहाँ पे आओ ऐसे आओ. And then that real picture and scenario is not getting exposed to them और देयर पेरेंट्स. एंड पेरेंट्स का भी कैसे हो रहा है कि दे थिंक दैट कि मेरी जिम्मेदारी सिर्फ उसको मैंने पैसे दिए, उसको पाथ निकाल के दे दिया तो हो गया. बट वेदर इट इज अ राइट थिंग बीइंग डन फॉर हिम, दैट side is also lacking. The student themselves, that moving maybe one side, our academic education system, which is trying to engage them more with an exam theory paper learning, but we don't know how to really value his engagement with the outside world. And then that open credit wo to abhi NEP 2020 se aa raha hai, but again it will take some time. And we are lacking in terms of presenting good success stories which can really bring them out of their fear of failure. जैसे मैंने पहले भी बोला कि right now possibly that fear of failure is much bigger than the joy of that success. वो अभी तक वो महसूस नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, and that's why possibly we all need to sell this particular idea so badly. But I hope, I believe, the maybe the people and the efforts like you, me, and some other people, so many people are contributing. Actually हम लोग तो बहुत छोटा मोटा काम कर रहे हैं, but this scenario should change. Otherwise we will never become Atmanirbhar Bharat, and we will be again go into what you can say, हम अंग्रेजों के जमाने में भी गुलाम थे, वो अलग टाइप की गुलामी थी, लेकिन इस जमाने में शायद डिजिटल गुलामी में हम maybe we will enter. I don't know.
True. I agree. No, and second thing is, I think, are we, means glorifying the success of people who have gone out more than the people who are performing in India?
maybe,
What could be? Because all this
maybe.
Sundar Pichai, Nadella and all,
Yes.
they are all finally employees only of some company. They are not
Yes.
entrepreneurs. But
Yes,
the kind of examples these people are quoted,
Yeah.
I think.
Actually, if you look out now, they know India is a big market. Okay, so India के किसी person को CEO बना दिया, naturally उसका market share बहुत बढ़ता
बढ़
है.
जाता है, बढ़
Because
जाता है ना?
we all are, very sentimental people. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
So it might be another ball game, but we never know about all those things
No,
correctly.
I fully agree because अपना Miss World भी इसीलिए बनता है.
Anyway, yeah,
ब्यूटी
this-
प्रोडक्ट्स जाना रहता है मार्केट
नहीं,
में तो
नहीं,
मिस वर्ल्ड बनता है भारत का.
But लेकिन I think majority of students, suffering student, if they can realize, understand this, and I think we all can keep on trying.
Sure.
And let's see what best we can do. I think we know the problem, we know how it is happening, but I think we'll have to consistently keep doing our own best effort. Rest of all, जो अच्छा है वो it will get back. मतलब जो
बिल्कुल
अच्छा
बिल्कुल
वो आएगा
बिल्कुल.
return.
थँक यू फ्रॉम माय साइड पर्सनली. थँक्स टू यू अँड तुमचे बेस्ट विशेस आणि हे सगळे राहू दे आमच्या कॉलेजवर.
No. 100%. In fact, we have certain things actually as a chambers, program. Anyway, we will get back to you.
Sure.
Actually, we have announced around 20,000, internships in the state of Maharashtra, because all these SMEs, MSMEs, जिनका turnover भी, around more than 100 CR वगैरह है. So they are also needing a lot of support and help from the good candidates. So we have structured this program जिसमें पहले तो industry connect internship program है, wherein the student go understand, capture the problem, digitize, validate, articulate, and then the digitized problem is being available to the professional community, student community, academic community, so that they can choose the area of working on their problems. And that is the industry readiness internship program, wherein they will try to attempt solving the problem under the mentoring of the experts. Experts won't teach anything. It is just like session I'm doing.
Yeah.
They will be answering, if I would have been at your place, what I would have done. Okay, so we have got 105 mentors, and then followed by enhancing employability skill. And we are looking at, if any institute is interested in having this program on their campus, we are checking all feasibility, and then we are open to, deploy, implement.
We are
all
open
the-
for discussion, sir. We are open for discussion.
Okay, we will have that. Then I'll take this as at least we will open up a dialogue, and then I'll tell Rajesh Singh to, take it
मला
ahead.
एकच छोटंसं आणखीन सांगायचं आहे
हो,
की तुम्ही हे स्टुडंटसाठी करताय असंच काहीतरी ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी तुमच्या सिस्टम मध्ये असेल, चेंबर मध्ये असेल, आणि फॅकल्टी जी आहे आपल्या
येस
त्यांना पण एक्सपोजरची गरज असते. म्हणजे
सर आहे ऍक्च्युली ह्या प्रोग्राम मध्ये ना, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अन बिझनेस सोल्युशन पॉलिक्लिनिक प्रोग्राम. 200 विद्यार्थी एका इन्स्टिट्यूटचे आणि 15 फॅकल्टी काय या फॅकल्टी इम्प्रुव्हमेंटचं सुद्धा त्याच्यामध्ये आहे, वेअर इन द फॅकल्टी इज बीन टेकन ग्रूम्ड फॉर इंडस्ट्री अँड इनोव्हेशन रेडीनेस. ओके, सो इंडस्ट्री रेडीनेस इज मी काही एमई केलंय, मी पीएचडी केलंय, मी काहीतरी केलंय. दे हॅड डन समथिंग, डेफिनेटली दे हॅव डन समथिंग. फक्त दे आर समटाइम्स नॉट एबल टू रिलेट इट हू माइट बी नीडिंग दिस वन. बट त्याच्यासाठी त्या फॅकल्टीला स्वतःच केलेलं काम त्या इंडस्ट्रीच्या एक्सपेक्टेशनच्या फॉर्मॅटमध्ये फक्त जर भरता आलं
बरोबर.
आणि इनोव्हेशन इज नथिंग न्यू, पण मी जे केलेलं आहे त्याच्यानी कुणाचे जर प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह होणार असतील तर त्याच्यासाठी तो पैसे द्यायला तयार आहे. दॅट इज द इनोव्हेशन. बाकी काही नाही ते. म्हणजे त्याला सो दिस ऑल वी टेक इट अहेड, बट विथ एन कन्सेंट फ्रॉम मॅनेजमेंट. बिकॉज what we find many times, even the faculties are not able to give a serious attention to this one. So now we are doing it only with the institutes where management is serious about capacity building of their faculties. It should not be just like मैंने काम कर दिया और मेरा एक फॅकल्टी डेव्हलपमेंट प्रोग्राम.
डॉक्टर VN बेडेकर इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ मॅनेजमेंट मध्ये काही चेकलिस्टचं काम होणारच नाही. चेकलिस्ट ते काम नाही होणार आमच्याकडे.
ठीक आहे, थँक्स. तुम्ही म्हटलं सो नो प्रॉब्लेम सर, वी आर रेडी ओपन. दिस इज ऑल देअर, अँड इन फॅक्ट इट विल बी आवर प्लेजर टू शेअर विथ यू हाउ विथ दिस होल मेथोडॉलॉजी. म्हणजे इट्स नॉट we won't come only with this titles and them. We will show you certain results. We'll show you the process.
Wonderful.
You evaluate, analyze. Then we are ready to even modify to suit your own culture, process, methodologies, timing.
Great.
So we do have that one, sir.
Great. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot. Thank you. So with your permission, then can I conclude this session?
Yes, absolutely. Yes.
Yeah. So thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So, sir, shall I start?
Yeah.
Okay. First and foremost, I would like to thank our guest speaker, Mr. Manish Patil, who despite of his busy schedule has found time to grace this session. Thank you so much, sir, for providing your valuable insights on the topics of problem of unemployment, making us aware about agro-optics, how to identify problem and understanding the pain areas, how to identify fund for the business unit, how to protect a business idea, and enlightening the term business model canvas. Thank you so much, sir, for providing your valuable insights on these topics. My sincere thanks to all the faculty members for their support and cooperation in organizing this session, and also to the non-teaching staff for their help in making all the necessary arrangements for this session. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all the students for their active participation and patient listening. Thank you so much, everyone.